What's going on, Wiz Gang? Now listen, okay? I know I kind of went ghost on you guys for a little bit. I uploaded a haircut tutorial. You know, I could get an upload in because I know you guys was waiting on a video. I was like, alright, I gotta drop some more heat. You know, I had to get ready for finals. That's why I went ghost on you guys for a little bit. But you know, I'm back. So, I was like, why not, you know, come back with, you know, my before haircut method. Now, basically a before haircut method is basically what waivers do to kind of get ready for the haircut. Okay, you kind of gotta prepare your waves for, you know, this haircut, because if you go in with all this product in your hair and this and that, you're not gonna get an even cut. You're not gonna get the best cut possible. So there's some things that we gotta do to really make sure that our waves are like our waves are ready for the cut. Okay, that's basically what it is. We kind of just got to make sure that our waves are ready for the cut. Our waves is looking nice. Our waves is laid, this and that. Just basically have to prepare for this cut, because as a waiver, if you don't prepare for a cut, you're going to lose progress, okay, when you get your hair cut. And that's something that no waiver wants. We put in all this brush work, we putting in the woofing sessions, this and that, and then we go get a haircut and it don't show. Let me go ahead and come out with this method for you guys, because it's an important method, especially for my straight hair waivers. Again, straight hair waivers, stand up, okay? Straight hair waivers, stand up and give a little applause, because look, straight hair waivers, you definitely need this method, because man, sometimes haircuts can just be brutal for us. So let's waste no more time and let's go ahead and let's get into the video. Now look, I'm about to do it with you guys, because look, I gotta get ready for, you know, this big chop, me and the fourth kin, you know, this woofing challenge, you know, again, got challenged. So I kind of got to prepare for my haircut too, because we doing self cuts. Y'all gonna want to stay tuned for that video. So the very first thing we gonna have to do is wash our hair. As our love advances, we take second check. Yo, can I shower? Dang, man. So now that I'm done washing my hair, I know you guys are probably like, yo, like what shampoo you use, bro? Like what you use, man? Look, all right, I use this. I mean, I honestly, like, to be honest, it really doesn't matter the shampoo you use. It really doesn't. The only things that you kind of want to avoid, and that's like, I don't know how to pronounce these, so don't worry. I'm gonna put like them listed somewhere on the screen, because I know you guys are probably gonna be like, wait, what did he say? I can't pronounce, okay? Look, I'm just happy I'm graduating high school. First thing is aluminum lauryl sulfate, sodium lauryl sulfate, propene, sodium chloride, propylene glycols, fluoride, formaldehyde, alcohol, synthetic fragrances, and synthetic colors. Now, I know you guys are probably gonna ask me, are those things like in here? They probably are, but to be honest, I mean, like, I don't got the time nor the energy to really be in the store looking at like, okay, does this? I know you guys are, well, like, now that I wash my hair, what do? So the things that I do basically is either it depends the circumstances. Okay, now you got, I think, two different circumstances that can happen here. You're that person that washes your hair, you know, the same day that you get your cut, or basically there's also the person that they wash it the day before they get a cut. Now, if you're the person that washes it the same day you get a cut, I would say, you know, you use a comb. Use a comb, get in a comb session, and comb it till it dries. But it's gonna perk up a little bit. Now, it's just really gonna be easy for those, for the clippers to just really glide through the hair, and you get the most even cut possible. Then the next person, you know, the person that washes their hair before, you know, the day before, okay? If you're that person, I really recommend you brushing your hair till it's dry, because you don't really want your hair perked up. Because when you lay down that do-rag, it's kind of going to lay it in that weird way. So I recommend using a brush if you're that person that really like does it the day before. I'm basically going to be going ahead and getting my comb session in. So let's go ahead and get my comb session in.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a who line for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging.
So if you're a straight hair waver and you're woofing low-key like how long I'm woofing, and if you guys don't follow me like that, I've been woofing for 2 months now. Your hair probably gonna look like this, okay? It's probably gonna look like this. You're probably going to have to go in with a medium hard brush and low-key like lay it down just a tad bit. But if you're not woofing like as intensely as I am, you could probably low-key go with like, you know, just combing it, and then it'll be fine. So let's go ahead and get that medium hard.
And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side? I don't know.
Alright, so now that you basically, you know, have everything laid down, as you guys can see, then you're basically ready for your cut. You can go ahead, go to the barbershop, woo, you cut it yourself, it don't matter, and go ahead and cut your hair, you know, or get your hair cut. So you can either do that, or, you know, if you've already brushed it, you know, the second option is you're the person that wants to, you know, get in a session, you know, the day before, and then the next day you go get your hair cut. I recommend, like I said, brush it till it's dry. Then you go ahead, rag it up, and then you brush it all the way. Then the next day when you're ready to get your hair cut, unrag, get a nice good brush session, and then you basically go to the shop, get your cut, and you'll be cool. I'm basically gonna go cut my hair because, you know, I got that challenge with the fourth kin, you know, and we have to do, he said we have to do self cuts, and me and him decided on high tapers. You know, I've always wanted a high taper, you know, I just wanted to see what it looks like on me, so, you know, we gonna kind of see, so stay tuned for that video. But if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. Because why don't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead and drop a comment down below, because you guys already know, you guys comments down below. Go ahead and drop a comment, you know, saying, you know, if this video helped you out, okay? I really want to hear if this video helped you out. Maybe helped you guys keep a lot of your progress that you guys are losing when you guys are going to get your haircuts. Because that's not a good feeling as waivers. Like, we would hate to go get our haircut if we found out that, you know, like, it was just like messing up our progress. So, you know, I hope this video helped you guys out. Again, let me know down in the comments. But again, don't forget to subscribe, because you dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out.